Hi everyone, welcome to today's English class, and in this class we are going to see about the chapter 5, the 100 dresses part 1. Yes, and the writer of this lesson is L. Bosser Esther. So we are going to see about what is given as the name denotes. It is about 100 dresses. Okay, so what are we going to see here? Let us have just a brief introduction about the lesson. So before you read, how do we judge people around us? By their money, wealth and possessions? Or is there something of more enduring value to look for in a person? So how are we going to judge a person whom we come across? Are we going to see how much money they have, or how much wealth, that is how much amount of assets they have, or what is their positions and all that? Or is there any other way by which we are judging a person? This story is a sensitive account of how a poor young girl is judged by her classmates. Wanda Petronsky is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children in an American town. Polish girl is nothing but an immigrant, okay? One who leaves their country and move to the other country for the sake of something, and they get settled there is called as Polish people. Okay, so that is what we are going to see here. She is a Polish immigrant, she's a Polish girl, one who's moving from one place to another, that is one country to another. We call them as Pole. And Wanda is a girl who's from Poland, so she's a Pole from Poland. Okay, the other children see Wanda as a different in many ways. Can you guess how they treat her? So this is very obvious that from one country, if we are going to another country, obviously there will be so much of discrimination happening. Yes, this is not only in US, this is there in many countries. So if we move from one place to another, if we move from one country to another country, just before knowing what are our talents, just before knowing how we are or what are the characters of us, will be discriminated, okay, will be underestimated. So that is what is also happening here with Wanda. Read the information in the box below. Find out more about this community from an encyclopedia or the internet. The Polish American community in the United States. Polish American community are the immigrants. Okay, so immigrants are those people who move from one place to one country to another country. The first Polish immigrants arrived in America in 1608, but the largest wave of Polish immigrant occurred in the early 20th century, when more than 1 million Poles migrated to the United States. Polish immigrants are those who are from Poland. Okay, so these Poland immigrants arrived to America in 1608, but the largest Poland immigrants who occurred was in earlier 20th century, when there were more than 1 million of Poles migrated to United States. So the Polish states did not exist at the time, and the immigrants were identified according to their country of origin rather than ethnicity. So those people who are immigrated from one country to other, that is especially here they are mentioning about Poland. So they were not identified by their ethnicity. What are their cultures? They were not identified by that, but they were identified by their country. They were identified as Russian Poles, German Poles and Austrian Poles. So this is how they say people who move from Russia to America, they are called as Russian Poles. And people who move from Germany to America, they are called as German Poles. And people who move from Austria, they are called as Austrian Poles. One of the most notable Polish American communities is in Chicago and its suburbs. So Chicago is sometimes called the second largest Polish city in the world. So Chicago is considered to be the second largest Polish city in the world, next to Warsaw, the capital of Poland. Polish Americans were sometimes discriminated against US. So those native people are those who belong to the same country. Okay, they are born in the same country, and they are brought up in the same country, and they live in the same country, and that's why we call them as native people. This native United States people, they started discriminating those people who have immigrated. such as Irish, Italians, and Jews. According to the United States 2000 census, 6,67,414 Americans of age 5 years and older reported Polish as the language spoken at home, which is about 1.4% of the people who speaks language other than English, or 0.25% of the US population. So they have given this general introduction in order to say that how people are discriminated, that is how Poles are discriminated. That is how discriminants are the immigrants are discriminated when they move from their country to the other country for their education. Okay, so in order to understand that only, it is the box was given for you to just have a better understanding. So now only we are going to enter the lesson. So let's see what's there in the lesson.